Hello and thank you for checking out Post Holes Plus. The purpose of this video is to introduce potential customers to Post Holes Plus, show them what we do, and display the steps involved in a typical Post Holes Plus project. Although we provide many services, our core services include drilling holes, supplying cement, and setting footings for fences and decks. A typical job begins with our crew arriving at a confirmed booking time. Upon arrival, our crews spring into action. Our crew leader will look to speak to the homeowner or the person that has the details of the job. A critical part of the initial job site review is to verify that all utility locates are completed and all hole locations are clear of underground utilities. During the short time our crew leader is going over the project details with you, our crew is mobilizing equipment and preparing the job site for drilling. This activity happens within 2 minutes of arriving at your job site, so it is important that the job site is free of all obstructions and all the property lines are marked prior to our arrival. We set our string lines using your property line marks. You can mark these locations using a stake or paint. We calculate the intermediate post locations by evenly spacing them across the entire distance. Be sure to also mark all gate post locations or any unique posts that are not described by your property line marks. While our crew leader is working on the final measurements of the intermediate post locations, our machine operator has already broken ground. Our fleet of drilling machines is light and compact, ideal for work in your backyard. We typically drill 10 or 12-inch holes. While our machines are hard at work, other crew members are cleaning the holes of loose dirt and mixing the concrete to set posts. We mix concrete and set posts as soon as the first hole is drilled, so it is important that you have all the posts on site prior to our arrival. We set 4x4, 5x5, and 6x6 posts. The typical length is 10 feet. When the post is correctly aligned, level and plumb, we cement it in place. We pile dirt around the base of the post to keep it steady while the cement sets. All posts are double checked for level and plumb before the cement sets. If you have hired us for deck footings, we require that all hole locations are marked prior to our arrival and that you have all the sonotubes present and pre-cut to 4-foot lengths. String lines are set up using the original hole location marks. Later we use these string lines to ensure the footing bases are in alignment along the beam direction. On large jobs, you may see our crews using our proprietary Post Holes Plus gas and electric powered wheelbarrows. Once the sonotubes are filled up with concrete, we trowel them off so they are smooth and ready for a saddle bracket to be set. With that, the hard part is done, but the work isn't over. At Post Holes Plus, we take pride in our image, and professionalism is everything. We dedicate time to clean up so your site is as clean and tidy as possible. Our crew leader will write you an invoice and collect payment at the end of the job. Another satisfied customer. Thank you for checking out the Post Holes Plus experience. We hope you found this video helpful and informative, and we look forward to hearing from you for all your future post hole needs.